Welcome. In this video, we will focus on Code Insight's ability to visualize your application's bill of materials and highlight any outstanding work or compliance issues. If you have not watched the inventory overview video, we recommend checking it out as it forms the basis for all of the demo videos. Once again, Revenera's Code Insight enables you to catalog your usage of open source and third-party software, manage your intellectual property and security risks, operationalize your organization's open source strategy. Here you see a small sample application. As in common practice these days, applications are modular and made up of blocks of functionality, making it easier to reuse code across multiple applications. As you can see, a simplified Code Insight application contains three modules: Apache Tomcat, Code Insight Core, and Code Insight Server. The Code Insight Server module itself then has a submodule, Swagger, used for API documentation. The product demo will use this application as an example. Using the sample application, the demo will show how Code Insight helps answer some key business questions. What is the complete open source bill of materials for my application? What are the outstanding review and remediation tasks in my application? And which items within my application are non-compliant, and where do we stand with these fixes? Now, to answer these questions, let's jump into Code Insight and go to the global inventory view. This view allows users to see inventory data at the enterprise level. Here, it is possible to easily view details about the open source usage that spans one or more projects. For this demo, I am interested in a specific project, so I'll filter the information down to show me only the open source components within that project. Here you can see all the inventory items that are contained within the Code Insight project directly. But as shown earlier, there are also submodules that are included within this project. To view these, I just need to enable the Include Inventory Items from Child Projects option as seen here. Now you are able to see the complete bill of materials for the Code Insight project, including its submodules, as well as any child projects included via those submodules. Now let's take a quick look at the details provided here. First of all, we have the project name, the inventory name, as well as the associated priority of that inventory item. We can also see the open source component name and version, the selected license for the component, as well as any known vulnerabilities that map to the item. Finally, you can easily see if there are any open tasks, security vulnerability alerts, as well as the current approval state of the inventory item. Obviously, with this example project, it is relatively simple to see the inventory of the entire application. But if you can imagine a project that may have hundreds or even thousands of open source items within the bill of materials, trying to get an understanding of what still needs to be done can be a daunting task. Utilizing the advanced search feature, you can focus on the items that are of interest to you at this point in time. For example, I want to see the items with my inventory that currently have open tasks, as well as those inventory items that have a security vulnerability alert. As you can see here, I have three inventory items that still require review, and therefore have one or more associated review tasks. One item that has been rejected either by policy or manual review with a remediation task. And finally, since my last scan, an alert has been generated highlighting the fact that a new security vulnerability has been found and linked to an item within my bill of materials. As you just saw, Code Insight has the ability to fully visualize the complete SBoM for an entire application, including any projects that are linked in a modular fashion. Furthermore, it provides you the ability to focus on the items that still require some aspect of investigation to ensure that any potential risk is highlighted and remediated. Thank you for watching. Check out additional videos demonstrating the various features of Code Insight. Please visit us at revenera.com/SCA for more information.